So hey there and welcome back to another video. In this video I'm going to show you how to add PayPal payments to Shopify. So let's get started. First of all, you have to head over to the Shopify dashboard website like this page. On this page, then from there you can see this option called settings. This option at the bottom left corner, settings, you have to tap onto it. So after tapping onto this option, you will head over to redirected to this site, and from there you have to tap onto payments. So after clicking onto payments, as you can see, I already have my payment method into PayPal. So if you want to add your payment method, then scroll down and tap on add payment methods, then tap onto search by provider. After tapping onto search by provider, search for PayPal and you will see the PayPal option. So tap onto PayPal and then tap activate PayPal. Okay, if you don't have a PayPal account, it will redirect you to the PayPal official website and it will ask you to create a PayPal account. So make sure you have a PayPal account or just create one. Okay, so this is how you can add PayPal payments to Shopify. So if this video helped you, please give the video a thumbs up, like and subscribe, and comment down below. Goodbye, see you in the next video.